Today's Money Minute, proudly brought to you by CommBank.
Good morning to you. Welcome back to the Today Show. Right across the country, of course. Now, scenes from the pro-democracy demonstrations in Hong Kong over the weekend and continuing yesterday, even now, raise issues not only about the sovereignty of the Chinese government, but also the amount of money that's flowing into Australia from Chinese investors. Now, just ask yourself, would questions such as these ones have taken place and the attempted crackdown by the Chinese government and the issue of tear gas being used on an otherwise peaceful demonstration, would it encourage or discourage you if you're a Chinese investor to try and sock some money overseas into, say, an Australian property? What's obvious here, and it's also in Canada where plenty of Chinese money has also flowed, is that governments have both either turned a blind eye to foreign investment in property to stimulate their economies, or they've been incompetent in keeping track. We've heard here from the chair of the House of Representatives Economics Committee, that's Kelly O'Dwyer, that the Foreign Investment Review Board here has not knocked back any foreign investor buying a house in Australia since 2006. Not a single one, not since 2006. Though we have minimal restrictions on foreign property buyers, like they need to buy brand new houses or apartments or to develop houses, and the truth is that lawyers, accountants, even local family help people in foreign countries get around the rules. Now, don't get me wrong, foreign investment in local property and business is a good thing. It helps the local economy. But the country would be a mug and really stupid if it did not keep account on how much money is flowing into the country and exactly where it's going. Thankfully, that lax attitude does seem to be changing. Maybe then we can make some sensible decisions about foreign investment and whether it really does skew our property markets, because at the moment we simply don't know. Let's head to the markets now. I can tell you what's happening overnight, and that is the Aussie dollar. 9-month lows, 87.19 US cents, 68.7 euro cents, 53.6 British pence if you're heading there very shortly. The gold price down $3 overnight, $1,215.95. Oil prices up by almost $1 overnight. The Dow Jones index, another fall, down by 41.9 points, and you can see the broader market, the S&P 500, down by 500 points. Have a look at this one, though. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong, down another 449 points. Those pro-demonstrations, or pro-democracy demonstrations, having a big impact on those markets. The FTSE in London overnight was down by just 2 points. Our market here again fell yesterday. It should have risen. It fell by 47 points. And the reason for that, again, money moving out of the banks, money moving out of the Aussie dollar, and that's causing our market to fall. Lisa?